Hi, PH Pro would like to welcome you to this instructional video for the Chili connector for Magento 2. Here you can see a standard Magento 2 web shop. We've created a few Chili products to show you what functionalities the Chili connector contains. For example, let's click on this business card product and add it to our shopping cart. As you can see, the Chili product is loaded in the Chili editor using Flash or HTML5. The product can be customized using inline edit. And after confirming the design, you can add this customized product to the shopping cart. The mini cart shows the Chili product we've added from the Chili editor. Preview images of the customized Chili product are generated on the fly, and you can download a preview PDF of the customized Chili product within the shopping cart. The export configuration settings of this PDF are defined on the Chili server. Let's go back to the Chili products and take the business card variable data product. If we add it to our shopping cart, we can see the Chili editor loads the Chili product again. Based on the workspace selected for the Chili product, it will show an HTML form in which you can easily customize the information of the business card. After making some changes, confirm the design once more and add it to the shopping cart. Let's say we've completed the checkout process and placed an order. In the My Account section, you can find orders. So let's click on an order that contains Chili products. The order detail shows the Chili products that are part of this order. Again, here the preview images are generated on the fly. This allows you to see the customized Chili product in a pop-up window. Also, the Download Preview PDF functionality is available here. But different from the shopping cart, you can also download the print-ready PDF in the order detail. I will now show you how this works. The Chili connector makes it possible to save Chili products in a My Concepts list. Let's add a Chili product to the shopping cart again. Just let me customize the business card a little bit. Confirm the design and add the business card to Concepts. The customized business card is saved and added to the My Concepts list. Preview images are generated on the fly again. When you add it to the shopping cart, it will disappear from the Concepts list. Let's see how this works in the Magento 2 backend. I will now show you how you can add a Chili product and how you can configure it. This is the Magento 2 backend, and we're going to have to add a Chili product. If we go to Products and then Catalog, we see a list of all products. By clicking Add Product, you can add a new chili product. After entering all general product data and scrolling down, you can find the chili configuration section at the bottom. Now I'll select a chili product and show you the chili configuration options for a chili product. For example, let's take the business card variable data product. At the bottom, you will find the chili web to print section. In this section, you can configure all chili settings. For example, you can select the document ID, the workspace, view preferences, etc. from the chili server using a resource browser. In this pop-up window, you can search through all chili documents that are saved on the chili server. Now, if we have a look at the other configuration options, you can see you can enable HTML forms, select the preview and print ready PDF export settings, enable the preview and print ready PDF download functionality, and choose the chili editor mode. Now let's take a look at the orders by going to Sales Orders. Here you can see a grid of all orders. Let's select an order that contains chili products. In the general information, you can see the chili products that are part of the order in the Items Ordered section. There is also a chili document section. Here you can see all chili products that are part of the order and download the preview and print ready PDF. Let's take a look at the PDF export grid by going to Chili Web to Print PDF Export. Here you can see the PDF export overview with all chili related information about the chili documents. The last chili configuration section is located in Stores Configuration. We already saw the chili configuration options on product level, but here you will also find configuration options on a global level. For example, the chili server connection, the image conversion profiles, the chili editor page, the PDF export settings, the chili server document save path, error handling, and developer settings. Let's go over the configuration options together. If you are interested in the chili connector for Magento 2, please do not hesitate and contact us. Thank you.